feelings are very real. And they can get so real that meron silang physical manifestations. When I'm stressed or feeling anxious or and feeling lost, sometimes I would break out into hives. So meron ako mga rashes, no? May times na bababa yung immune system mo. And that is how real feelings can be. The second thing I need to stress is that feelings are not always facts. And I say not always kasi there are times na totoo siya. Hindi lang siya totoo as in nag-exist yung feeling na yon, pero karapat-dapat siyang maramdaman at karapat-dapat siyang maramdaman sa ganong scale. Kumbaga, isang kagat ng langgam ay hindi pa rin katulad naman talaga ng kung kakagatin ka ng leon o kaya ng buwaya. 'Di ba? May pagkakaiba pa rin yun. And a lot of people struggle with how hindi proportionate or hindi proportional, hindi tama yung dama natin ng certain things. There are people who will really feel, kasi mababa yung tolerance nila for pain, sobrang sakit, kahit kagat lang yun ng langgam. May mga tao naman na kahit malaking bagay na, sa kanila okay lang kasi sanay sila sa pain. Hindi naman laging accurate yung scale ng pain natin or hindi siya laging proportional doon sa actual na nangyari or sa actual na cause ng pain. Sometimes, may mga pagkakataon sa buhay na you will feel lost, but that doesn't mean that you are indeed lost. Ano niyo yun sa buhay minsan, kahit ngayon simpleng illustration lang na naglalakad ka with your family, di ba, nasa mall kayo, tapos biglang